Breaking news, or I'm not sure if it's breaking, but the airline of Lynx Air, the Canadian one, stopped operating 5 days ago, at the time of uploading this video. Lynx Air has ceased operations. Lynx Air was a Canadian ultra-low-cost airline based in Calgary. It previously operated as Enerjet, but was rebranded as Lynx Air on the 16th of November 2021. The first flight under the Lynx Air name took place on the 7th of April 2022, but on the 22nd of February 2024, the airline announced that it had some financial problems and had some other problems and was gonna cease operations. It stopped operating on the 26th of February 2024 at 12:01. Was at least the planned time, and I just wanted to make this video to inform everybody of it, and I'm probably gonna be working on a video for my second channel about that, but I just wanted to say that it had happened. For the people that didn't know, I actually just found out only a few days ago. I saw a video with airlines that no longer exist, and then I saw it, and I was like, they ceased operations? I didn't know, but I didn't go very much into it until today. So yeah, but yeah, Lynx Air only operated for around 2 to 3 years, which is not a lot. Yeah. Now it's just another airline in the graveyard of airlines that don't exist anymore. It could be set in a comparable role as many others, like you know what, I can actually not think of anything at the moment, but the many other ultra low-cost airlines. You know what, I can think of one, Value Jets. It didn't go good. But now it's just in the graveyard of airlines like Value Jets. Or if we're going on the stats, it's also in the graveyard as Air Ontario, Air Canada Lounge, and many others. So rest in peace, Lynx. I never got to fly on you. I never went to Canada. I've not been to Canada. So rest in peace, Lynx Air, and yeah, that's all I can say. Rest in peace.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.